Tres. Good morning, teacher. Today we are going to talk about promoting academic honesty and preventing plagiarism. In this presentation, we will explain why collaborative work is important to avoid plagiarism and some strategies to work honestly and effectively as a team. So let's begin. The content. First, let me introduce the topics of our presentation. We will start with the introduction, then we will explain academic honesty and plagiarism. After that, we will discuss the importance of collaborative work, show some examples, present useful collaboration strategies, and finally share our conclusions before answering your question. Let's begin. The introduction. Collaborative work helps students university learn in an honest and respectful way. When we work together, we learn to respect others' people ideas, behave ethically, and share responsibilities. Teamwork not only improves our learning, but also helps create a positive academic environment. Next slide, please. Collaborative work, it's important and many benefits encourage sharing responsibility and integrity, reduce temptation to plagiarize, promotes critical thinking, idea exchange, and build trust and accountability among peers. Next slide.
The real life examples give peers reviews, give feedback on the classmates, draft to improve clarity and citation, join brainstorming, and create an outlines together while writing the final text individually. Study groups discussing complex concepts from the conversation class to improve fluency. And then the next slide.
Today, I'm going to talk about collaborative work strategies and how they help us work better as team while promoting academic honesty. First, effective communication is very important because team members share ideas, listen to each other, and solve problems together. This helps everyone understand the topic about plagiarism. Second, role distribution means that each person has a specific task, such as researching, writing, or reviewing the work. This makes the project more organized and ensures that everyone contributes. Another important strategy is having a common goal. When everyone knows what the team wants to achieve, it is easier to stay organized and complete the work successfully. Team decision making is also important because everyone can share their opinions and ideas. This helps create better and more original work. And finally, evaluation and feedback allow the team to check the work, correct mistakes, and make sure all sources are properly cited before submitting it. In conclusion, this strategy helps teams work in an organized, responsible, and ethical way while encouraging academic honesty and original work. Next slide.
Okay, everyone. Today I will talk about plagiarism. Plagiarism is copying another person's ideas or work without giving proper credit. It is a form of academic dishonesty and goes against academic integrity. When students do not cite their sources, they lose credibility and may risk academic penalties. For example, copying information from the internet without references the original source is plagiarism. To avoid plagiarism, students should write in their own words is proper references and always respect intellectual property. In conclusion, creating original work and giving credit to author helps promote honesty and responsibility in academic life. Thank you for attention. Next slide.
And now, how can we prevent plagiarism? Most students fear plagiarism checkers. They see them as a digital spies waiting to expose mistakes at the last minute. What if we use the same technology completely different? Now, here is the new approach. Free the plagiarism app as a team review tool. Members run their draft through it while they're still writing, catching issues early. But now they have to swap section with your partner. Then each person must explain the parent section aloud in their own words without reading from the paper. Why this is interesting? Because if someone copy or pay for their work, their partner won't be able to explain it correctly. The work won't make sense because they aren't truly understood. At the same time, reviewing the app's report together teaches everyone how to cite properly. Next slide, please. And the conclusions of the group. First, technology becomes an ally, not a spy. Regularly, collaborative use of plagiarism app turns checking into a shared learning experience. Second, deep understanding is the best filter. Explaining each other work aloud is the most organic way to detect inconsistencies. And third, collaboration builds ownership. When the group reviews sources and draft together, from the very start, every member truly owns their part. Next slide, please. Those are the reference. Thank you, teacher. That's all.